river adventure. Once upon a time, in a forest, colorful leaves fell from trees. They danced in the breeze and landed on the ground. Rain fell, forming streams. The leaves floated down, giggling as they journeyed. They passed rocks and animals, enjoying the ride. The streams joined into a river, and the leaves continued. They saw flowers and animals, feeling happy. At sunset, they reached the riverbank. Tired but content, they rested. They learned that journeys bring joy and new experiences. And so, the leaves slept, dreaming of more adventures.